Welcome to this new video. Today, we're going to dive into a fundamental topic for digital transformation: advanced analytics and artificial intelligence applied to industry. If you've ever wondered how to turn the data your company generates into actions that improve efficiency and reduce costs, this is the perfect place for you. Today, you will learn how these technologies are transforming industrial maintenance and what benefits you can get from applying them in your company. Let's get started. Advanced analytics is much more than just data reporting. It is the process of analyzing large volumes of information to find hidden patterns that allow us to anticipate problems and optimize decisions. In this video, you will learn about the four broad categories of analytics. Descriptive analytics. What has happened? We analyze historical data to understand past performance. Diagnostic analysis. Why did it happen? Here we look for the causes of past events. Predictive analytics. What will happen? We use data to anticipate future failures or problems. Prescriptive analytics. What should we do? It gives clear recommendations on actions to take. In the context of industrial maintenance, predictive and prescriptive analytics have the greatest impact, as they allow us to optimize our resources and anticipate failures before they occur. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing industry. Simply put, AI is the ability of machines to learn from data and make decisions without direct human intervention. There are several types of AI, but in the industrial world, we focus mainly on machine learning and deep learning. How are advanced analytics and AI being applied in industry? There are several key applications that are transforming the way industrial companies operate. Predictive maintenance. We analyze sensor data to anticipate when equipment will fail and plan maintenance accurately. Process optimization. AI can identify areas of improvement in your production lines to reduce waste and maximize efficiency. Anomaly detection. With advanced analytics, you can identify anomalous patterns in your data that indicate impending equipment problems. Resource optimization. Prescriptive analytics tells you not only what to do, but also how to optimize resources to maximize performance. These are just a few examples of how advanced analytics and AI can transform your operation. The key is to move from intuition to data-driven decisions. How can you implement advanced analytics and AI in your business? The process starts with data collection. It is critical to ensure that your sensors and monitoring systems are generating quality data. Once you have the right data, you can move on to the analysis phase, where we apply machine learning algorithms to identify patterns and predict outcomes. The next step is to use this data to make informed decisions. When should you intervene on a machine? How can you adjust production parameters to avoid failures or improve efficiency? This cycle of continuous improvement is what makes AI an indispensable tool for any industry that wants to stay competitive. For example, in the automotive sector, some companies have implemented predictive maintenance on their assembly lines, which has enabled them to reduce unplanned downtime by 40%. In the energy sector, the use of AI has improved failure prediction in wind turbines, increasing efficiency by 25%. These cases show that, with the right technology, you can generate significant savings and improve your company's competitiveness. If you found this topic interesting and want to know how to implement advanced analytics and AI in your business, I invite you to connect with me on LinkedIn. Together we can explore how these technologies can transform your operation and make a real impact. Don't wait any longer to harness the power of data and artificial intelligence in your industry. Thank you for joining me for this session. In the next video, we'll delve into success stories and how companies are using advanced analytics and AI to revolutionize their maintenance. See you soon.